trendiest news.
It's summertime. Tourists are already enjoying the gorgeous beaches of Cancun, sunbathing all day, diving, and feeling the soft breeze of the Caribbean Sea. Don't miss a second of this getaway. You are still on time to visit Cancun. LAN Airline has recently announced that their flights to Cancun will operate under the latest technology in aircrafts on board a Boeing 787. Your entire trip can now be a more comfortable experience, since this aircraft has more space between seats and bigger windows to enjoy the view. The Boeing 787 has a lower negative impact on the environment, being an eco-friendly craft, as it's designed to reduce CO2 emissions. So remember that next month you will have a new and better option to travel to your favorite beach destination. Visit Cancun and live an unforgettable summer.